So, what do you think I'm gonna do with this property? Fix and flip it, fix and keep it, or tear it down, start over? So we're in Bellevue, and recently this was a client of ours that called and asked me to help them sell their house. And when I went and met with them, the house needed a lot of work. It needed to be emptied out. It needed to get painted. It needed to get some, some basic things just to get it on the market. Not to a full remodel, it's a basic thing just to get it ready. If we would have put it on the market how the seller had it, it would have probably been listed for maybe like $800,000. Well, we cleaned out the house. I had my contract come over and repaint the property inside. We did some landscape for them. We got everything cleaned up, did some small staging, and then we put the house on the market for $1 million. 5 days later, we had multiple offers, like 6 offers, and it sold for $1,240,000 in less than a week. So I am very happy for my sellers who got over $200,000 extra on this property in Bellevue, and it was a win for her and a win for us. So thank you. We just got to a location where we just bought this property. It's over here in Kirkland, Washington. This lot right here, it's about 20,000 square feet. And right now, there's a nice house on it. I wanna ask you guys, what do you think I'm going to do with this house? You think I'm going to rehab it and sell it? Or rehab it and do the burr system? Or tear it down and start over? What do you think? All right, so we're inside the house, and I want you guys to take a look at it, right? So this is the family room. Carpet been yanked out. This is the door going out to the backyard. You'll see this big deck, big yard in the back. This is the dining room. Behind you here, this is a kitchen, nice kitchen. They got a nice granite countertop already in here. They got nice cabinets, nice appliances already in the house. This is the living room. And you got one bedroom over here. Alright, you got a bathroom in here. Alright, so this is the master here. Then you got another bathroom here, countertops. Right now, this house is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath house, no basement. Okay, it's in the area in Kirkland, and we paid $1 million for this property. So, what do you think I'm gonna do with this property? Fix and flip it, fix and keep it, or tear it down, start over? What do you guys think? Comment below. I wanna hear what you have to say, all right? All right, you guys, so here's what we're gonna do with this property. The highest and best for this property is to tear it down, because the zoning on this property, we can tear it down and build 2 brand new homes on there. So we paid $1 million for this lot, which is basically $500,000 for each lot. It's gonna cost us about $1 million to build a 3,300, 3,400 square foot home on here. So we'd be in it for $1.5 million. When we get done, we'd be able to sell this for about $2 million, which is about a $500,000 profit each, but we're gonna minus commission, closing costs, and some fees along with that, okay? So somewhere 400,000 and north. So that is the high and best use for this property, okay? If you guys have any questions, please comment below. Until then, let's go to the next property. Okay, we just got to the site in Seattle where we just purchased this property right here. And let me show you around. I'm gonna ask you a question after that, come on. So the lot size in this is about 4,500 square feet. Not super big, 4,500 square feet. And then there's an alley in the back. And then obviously, this is the backyard, okay? All right, let's go inside, take a look at the inside. Bedroom. Here's the living room, dining room. You can see the ceiling right now. Obviously, you see this house is a major fixer, okay? Give you a little peek at the kitchen. All right, so let me ask you a question. What do you think I'm going to do with this property? Fix it and flip it, or fix it and keep it and do the bird system, or tear it down and put something new on there? I want you to pause the video. I want you to comment below. Tell me what you think I'm gonna do to it, and then watch the video, and then see what my answer is at the end of the video, okay? Alright you guys, I hope you guys comment below. Here is what I'm doing with this property. This property obviously is a fixer. I would typically rehab this property, usually all the time, if it was on a zoning called SF5000. This property is on a zoning called LR zoning, which means you can build multi-unit townhouse on it. So the highest and best use of this property is to tear it down. And on a 4,500 square foot lot, I can actually put 3 townhouse on it. I paid $750,000 for this lot. That means that's $250,000 a lot I paid for 3 lots, okay? It's gonna cost me roughly $450,000 to build each townhouse. So $250,000 for the land, $450,000 for the construction. I'm looking about $700,000 in each townhouse. We're gonna sell these townhouses roughly for about $900,000. It's gonna be roughly somewhere around $200,000 profit minus all the costs to sell this property. For the highest best use, we're gonna build these out 3 townhouses, and we're gonna sell them for almost $900,000 each. Make somewhere roughly about $200,000 each townhouses. And then we are done. Move on to the next project. Alright you guys, that is the end for this vlog. If you like the video, like it for us, and if you share with your friend, we appreciate that. And then also please subscribe to the channel, and also make sure you hit the bell so you get notified when our next vlog is. Alright, until then you guys, dream big and surf unconditionally. Peace out.